Did you see that? This excitement and title. By now you must have understood that this video is going to be about
budget-friendly, eco-friendly birthday.
This pandemic has taught us all to find happiness in small things, be thankful, and be more conscious of healthy lifestyle. Survive with less and still be happy. This week was Prisha's birthday, and I plan to celebrate it in an eco-friendly way. Fortunately, when I shared the idea with Prisha, this was her reaction.
Suju, what do you think about celebrating eco-friendly and budget-friendly birthday?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
First step was making a plan. Prisha enjoy doing DIYs as much as I do. We plan to make these fun DIY planters as a return gift. There are many ideas available on Pinterest. You can check out that. We are making dog-shaped planters. So first you need to remove all the wrappers from the cold drink bottles. Mark the bottles and then cut them as per the design. For our DIY we need a body, face and ears. So I've already drawn it and now I'm cutting it.
It's not seem classical.
I used Nippon paints, high gloss enamel. I got the color white and black. It gives good coverage and it's very long lasting.
I don't know. Want to find it?
To make eyes and nose, I found this mobile tray which comes with the new mobiles. It had a velvety top.
Close the door.
Once the painting was over, we left all the bottles and the parts for drying for one day, and now we are filling the top part of bottle with the pot filled soil to grow our plants. For the plants I am using this baby tear plant. Prisha loves this plant and it is very easy to grow and maintain.
Here my Dadisa is making mask for my friends.
This birthday was indeed a very special one. Balloons were replaced by rearranging the house to give it a fresh feel. Return gifts were replaced by fun DIY. More than the day, we enjoyed the process, and most importantly, everybody was involved in celebrating Prisha's birthday. To avoid bringing cake from market, I also tried my hand on baking and it came out really well. There are n number of easy cake making ideas available on YouTube. After spending 3 to 4 days in planning and preparing for the birthday, finally the day came. And indeed, what a beautiful day it was. Full of showers of blessing and love from friends and family. Very long, we heard the giggling of children playing together and the smile on their beautiful faces.
Happy birthday, Puchu!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Puchu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Puchu. Happy birthday, Puchu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Puchu.
Happy birthday, Puchu.
After all these beautiful memories, the overwhelmed heart had to reflect some emotions through Namais.